Before you begin this job, you will need to safely raise and support the vehicle as well as remove the brake pads. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. Set the parking brake and loosen or remove the two Phillips head screws that hold the rotor to the flange, red arrows. If you live in a four-season climate, there is a good chance that you will need to use an impact screwdriver to loosen the screws. Once you release the parking brake, the rotor should spin freely. If not, you may need to release the parking brake pads on the inside of the rotor. You will not be able to remove the rotor if the parking shoes inside the rotor are making contact with it. To loosen the parking brake pads, turn the rotor until the access hole is on the top, and you can insert a flathead screwdriver into the hole and turn the adjusting wheel until the rotor turns freely. Unlike the front calipers that are attached to the hard line by a flexible brake line, the calipers on the rear are attached with a hard line. You need to unclip the hard line, red arrow, to the mounting points and remove the caliper carefully so as not to bend the brake line. Use a 19mm socket and remove the two caliper mounting bolts, red arrows. Remove the caliper from the rotor and hang it so it does not stress the brake line, red arrow. If the parking brake is loose and the retaining screws are removed from the rotor and it still will not come off the flange, you can try tapping the bell of the rotor, red arrow, with a mallet. Once it is free, pull it straight off the rotor. Use care as it is heavy. Make sure to clean the flange so that it is clean and flat for the new rotor. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.